Today we will learn how to calculate the quantity of materials required for slump test. Slump test is one of the workability tests used for concrete. The concrete mix which we are using is M15. So the ratio of cement to sand to coarse aggregate is 1:2:4. This is the slump used for the test. This test can be performed in laboratory or during the progress of field work. The slump cone is a hollow frustrum made of thin steel sheet. The top diameter of the frustrum is 10 cm. The bottom diameter is 20 cm and the height is 30 cm. So we have the top radius small r equal to 5 cm, that is 0.05 meter. Bottom radius capital R equal to 10 cm, which is equal to 0.1 meter, and height h equal to 30 cm, which is equal to 0.3 meter. To calculate the volume of frustrum, the formula is pi h by 3 capital R square plus capital R small r plus small r square, which is equal to 3.14 into 0.3 by 3 in square brackets 0.1 square plus 0.1 into 0.05 plus 0.05 square, giving us 0.0055 meter cube. In case you want the values in cubic feet, 1 meter cube is 35.31 cubic feet. So 0.0055 meter cube is equal to 0.194 cubic feet. Now we will calculate the mass of concrete that is required. Mass is equal to density into volume. The density of concrete is equal to 2400 kilograms per meter cube. Hence mass is equal to 2400 into 0.0055 equal to 13.188 kg. We will consider a wastage of 50%. So to 13.188 kg, adding 50%, which is equal to 6.594 kg, we get 19.78 kg. Hence, we are going to use a mass of 20 kg concrete. Mass of concrete is 20 kg. Ratio of the mix which we are using M15 is 1:2:4. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. Hence, the ratios will be cement 1/7, sand 2/7 and coarse aggregate 4/7. So the mass of cement which we need is 1/7 into 20, which is equal to 2.85 kg. Mass of sand is 2/7 into 20, 5.7 kg. And mass of coarse aggregate is 4/7 into 20 equal to 11.4 kg. Here what we have done is to calculate the mass of each material, we will multiply the ratio to the total mass of concrete. If we take a water cement ratio of 0.5, water required is 0.5 into mass of cement. So the mass of water which we are adding is 0.5 into 2.85, which is equal to 1.425 kg or 1.425 liter. So now we have calculated the amount of cement, sand, coarse aggregate and water required to prepare the concrete for slump test.